types of AIDS.
What the fuck was so difficult about that?
Get out of here, stalker.
Yes!
3 different types of AIDS.
5, 7, 8 fucking hours later. 11 o'clock p.m. 12 hours. What the fuck are you talking about? Hail Satan! Right fucking now. What the fuck is wrong with you? Boring. What else is on?
What? Kisses, you faggot! Yeah, I know. We said it last time. Fucking deal with it. Fucking bitch.
Fuck you!
Are you serious? I know you're not gonna help me think.
Oh, yes, Daddy.